रखने वाले कश्मीरी कारकुन जावेद बेग ने जेनेवा में यूएनएचआरसी के 57वें इजलास में पाकिस्तान के जेर कब्जा कश्मीर के गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के लोगों पर पाकिस्तान के मजालिम को बेनकाब किया। गुज़िश्ता 7 दहाइयों में यह पहला मौका था कि कश्मीर से ताल्लुक रखने वाले किसी हिंदुस्तानी ने अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के फोरम पर गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के लोगों की हालत इज़ार को उठाया है।
Of the people in Pakistan occupied Gilgit-Baltistan or POGB under the Pakistani regime is deeply troubling. The region has been suffering from grave human rights violations, systemic oppression and severe suppression by the Pakistani authorities. In POGB, which is part of the Pakistan occupied Kashmir and Pakistan's only Shia and Ismaili majority administrative region, the local population has been enduring widespread discrimination and marginalization. There have been numerous reports of enforced disappearances, extrajudicial killings, and arbitrary detentions. The recent surge in protests in POGB against unfair taxation and resource exploitation have been met with brutal crackdown by security forces. The Pakistani regime's response has been stifle dissent, silence activists, and curtail basic freedom, highlighting a disturbing pattern of human rights abuses. The international community must not ignore the suffering of the people in Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan. The Pakistani state's inaction and active participation in these human rights violations.
और जम्मू